Show me where it says you can waive my right. Show me the place I'm asking you. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. And you're a judge. You claim you're a judge. You don't know law. You don't know law. Nonsense. Where is the family address? Where is it? Which law gave you the right to waive my family address? Which law gave you that right? Nonsense. You must take and try this. You must take it. You try with me. You must. What's this one doing here? What are you 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 doing here, Master? What are you doing here? This is the idiot that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot that attacked me. That's the fool. Don't touch me. Don't push me. I'm going. Don't touch. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't. Mad people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can hold my right to an address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. They are nothing new. You're writing rubbish. Show me the law. Unaddressed affidavit. You say you are doing their job for them. God will punish you now and forever. Criminals. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment given in this court is rubbish. Ask him where is the law. Ask him what to show. Where is the law? Where is the law? Let's go.
I don't even know if the Igbos and Yoruba lawyers, judges, Yoruba. I don't even know if we are with each other. I'm so disappointed that Yoruba brothers can engage in this. It could be said from the Chief Justice, from the Attorney General, from DSS, from lawyers, judges, they are all Yoruba.
What?
Yes. Are you looking at me? So that is what it is. Finish what I want to start. Finish up.
You're mad. You're mad.
You that are not mad.
I don't know how to
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't. Mad people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can hold my right for an address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. They are nothing new. You're writing rubbish. Show me the law. One address. Affidavit. You say you put I doing their job for them. God will punish you now and forever. Criminals. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment given in this court is rubbish. Ask him where is the law. Ask him what to show. Where is the law? Where is the law? Let's go.